Hey guys, and welcome back to DCTC. I'm Brandon, and today I'm going to be showing you our brand new Play-Doh Pirate Adventure set. And also, we're going to open up 2 Jake and the Neverland Pirates surprise eggs.
Hey, wait a minute. DCTC, didn't you already do a Jake and the Neverland Pirate Play-Doh set?
Well, you're right, Jake, but this is a different set. The one you're talking about was Treasure Creations, and this one is Pirate Adventure. Now, both of them had similar things in them. They both had stamps of Jake and Izzy. They both had a cannon, but they did not both have a boat. And out of the box, our first item is going to be our Play-Doh Cannon Extruder. So it looks like we got some cool stuff to do with it. And here are our Jake and Izzy. So we can stamp them and make molds. And here's our steering wheel for our pirate ship, but you can also use this as a cutter. And of course, you can't forget the pirate ship. The pirate ship has, it looks like a Play-Doh mold of an anchor on it and a treasure chest inside. It also comes with 3 cans of Play-Doh and a little backdrop that you can hook on. Let's start off with our Jake stamp. See if we can't make a blue Jake. And there's our Jake. Now let's make Izzy. Let's attach our cannon. And I think the cannon, the way it works, may have to take off this. There we go. And your backdrop goes over the cannon. So let me move some of this out of the way so you can see the back side. So this is where we're going to put the Play-Doh. And then take the back side of the cannon, we'll flip it around, and we'll do the first mold. So there's all 3 of the extruder shapes, and don't forget you have the steering wheel for the ship that you can use as a cutter. And after you're finished, attach your steering wheel to your ship. And there we go. Now Jake is ready to go. And the last 2 molds on this ship are the treasure chest and the anchor on the front. So let's go ahead and make us a treasure chest. And before we forget, let's open up our surprise eggs. So let's try out our first one and see what we have. And it's gonna be, looks like some swords and some treasure chest, like some sweet tarts. Yep, that's what it is. A sword and treasure chest. And here is our other egg, so let's see what we got. And it's gonna be the same style candy, so nothing that comes in these eggs that is different. It's probably all just gonna be sweet tarts, if I had to guess. Or at least in our 2 eggs, it was only sweet tarts. Alright guys, that's it for today's episode, but make sure you click the like button if you want to see more Play-Doh or Jake and the Neverland Pirate videos, and let me know in the comments what surprise eggs you'd like to see us open up next. If you're not a part of our club, you can subscribe today. This is DCTC, and as always, thanks for watching.